godmother. Cheers. Oh, nice. Good evening mga kabunso, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make godmother cocktail. So for the godmother cocktail, mga kabunso, you need this vodka and amaretto. And of course, you need also the rockless and my chicken and my bar spoon. So mga kapuso, for the godmother cocktail, let's do it. So mga kapuso, first step, vodka. Vodka is 45 ml of vodka. 45 ml of vodka, and for the amaretto, mga puso, I don't have Disaronno amaretto, but this is also nice amaretto. It's different, only the brand name, but the same amaretto. So anyway, 25 ml of amaretto, 25 ml of amaretto, and of course ice. So mga kabuso, I have special ice, one bowl ice. You can see one only ice, and make it chilled, nice and cool. You can hear the sounds of bell. This jingle bell, jingle bell. So, almost done mga kabutso. And garnish. Orange peel for the garnish. Here we go. Mga kabutso, your godmother cocktail is ready. Cheers. So mga kabutso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share also all my vlogs and videos to all your friends. And mga kabutso, this is the time, tasting time. Your godmother. Cheers. Oh, nice. There is little sweet because of amaretto. Amaretto is made by almonds and sweet. So anyway mga kabutso, one more. Your godmother is ready. Cheers.